Assalamu alaikum all students. I'm RAZIA from BHSS Kupwara, and my trade is ITes. Um, Today, as we are studying digital documentation chapter, and in this we are going to start a new topic today, that is how to edit a document. Editing a document. As we know, on a Word window, there is always there are always two options on the top left corner, that is undo and redo. Okay, first one is when we do some work and we want to if we have done anything by mistake, and you want to make some change, and now you want to erase the last change done. So for this purpose we can use undo command. Okay, and if we have done some action and it was erased by mistake, so we want to do the change again. So it is for this purpose we can do a redo, that is after undo command. Again, if you want to go back, then use a redo command. Okay, first of all, if we can do undo is for that purpose. If we have done anything by mistake and we have to erase it, then we can go for undo command. And if we want that action in our document, then we can go for redo command if we have gone through undo command first. Okay, second one is moving and copying text. Okay, these are some points which are to be taken into mind while editing a document. Okay, second one is moving and copying. As we know, for moving and copying we can use cut and paste. Okay, if we use copy and paste, copy means we are taking the text from one place to another, but we are keeping it at the original place as well. Okay, if we have to erase it from the previous place, then we have to use cut and paste, that is move and copy. Okay, it is used to move a selected text from one place to another place. For that purpose we have to select the text and we have to press Ctrl plus X. The selected text will be cut from the previous position, and then we have to place the cursor where we want to place the text, and there we have to press Ctrl plus V, and the text gets copied there. Okay, that means our text is now at only one position. It's not on two positions. If we will have used copy plus paste, then our data was located at two locations, previous as well as the current location. Then we have third one, that is copy and paste. Copy and paste means we have to keep it as the previous location, and we have to keep it at the new location as well. So it's used to make a duplicate copy of the selected text. So we have to select the text, and we have to press Ctrl plus C in order to copy the text, and then we have to place the cursor on that position where we want to paste it, and at that position we have to press Ctrl plus V. Okay, for copy we have to do Ctrl plus C, and for paste we have to do Ctrl plus V. Okay, then we have how we can select a letter or some group of letters. Okay, if we have to select a single word at a time, then we have to position the mouse pointer anywhere on the word and double click it. Okay, if we have to, I'll repeat it, if we have to select a single word, for example, if we have a word that is cat, C-A-T, cat is a word. If we have to select it, that is if we have to highlight it, then what we have to do, we have to place our cursor in this word, that is anywhere in this word. For example, if we place our cursor after C-A-T, cat, if we place our cursor after C, and then we have to double click it, the cat word will be highlighted. Okay, Then we have to select a complete sentence at a time. How we can select a complete sentence? For a complete sentence, we have to position the mouse pointer anywhere in the sentence, and we have to triple click it. Okay, if we have to highlight a sentence, then we have to select the sentence. Sorry, we have to keep the cursor in the sentence, okay, anywhere in the sentence, and then we have to click the and we have to click there 3 times. Okay, triple click. Then we have another one, that is to select a complete paragraph at a time. It's how we can select a complete paragraph. For a complete paragraph, position the mouse pointer anywhere in the paragraph and quadruple click. It says that if we have to click a paragraph, then we have to place our cursor anywhere in the paragraph, and we have to click there 4 times. Okay, our paragraph gets selected, gets highlighted. Okay, then we have how we can select a complete document. For a complete document, we can use Ctrl+A option, because Ctrl+A is for copying purpose. It can copy all the document. Okay, then we have find and replace, because it's very important point. Find and replace. If we have to find a text word, and we want to replace it as for example, this feature is used to search for a text and replace it with some other text. There is a box that is called as find box. Okay, we can also use the find box by clicking on some keys, that's Ctrl+F. If we will press Ctrl+F, a box will display on the screen, that is called as find and replace. And in this find and replace, first of all, we have to select the text which we have to find. Okay, the word which we have to find, and then there is another row that is called as replace, and in replace we have to write the letter by which we have to replace the word, we have to replace the previous word. Okay, this is find and replace. Okay, then we have jumping to a page number. Sometimes for example, if we have a document of 10 pages, and we need 8th page. Okay, that means previous 7 pages are not needed, so we can go to 8th page directly. For this purpose, we have to click Ctrl+G. Okay, and then we have to click there, and then we have to write there the page number, and the page number will be displayed on the screen. Okay, then we have checking spelling and grammar. How we can check spelling and grammar? As we know, when we write in a word, then what happens? If we do some grammatical mistake, then the sentence, it gets highlighted by a green line. Okay, and if we or it's a blue line, and then if we do some spelling mistake, then the word it gets highlighted by red line. Okay, then we have to right click on the word in order to identify the most appropriate word for it. Okay, and for grammatical purpose, we also have to right click on it, and there is some suggestion, and we have to click on the most probable answer. Okay, this is all about today, that is editing a document, and tomorrow we'll go for some next topic. Okay, take care. Allah.